Hey guys, we're at the warehouse. We've got 3 C cases and a B case sealed to go through. Let's just quickly go through it. I'm filming on my phone right now, so sorry if the footage is really bad. Oh shoot, yes! Oh yeah, buddy. Alright, first score, ID Escort. Alright, that's great. Alright, just down here. We'll check the bottoms in a bit, guys. Just gotta quickly check the tops. 2 regulars. Regular Escort. Just double check, yep. Rigs. Alright. I'm happy with just the Escort, but got 2 more cases, so does not seem to be. Oh, there's one regular, and there's one regular Escort, and that is it. And then the B case, I need some more Subis. Double sealed, look at this. That is suspicious. That was loud. I'm the one being suspicious, haha. It was cut, look. What was removed? Yeah, there's something definitely removed out of this box, yep. I gotta constantly talk, but I can't find anything to talk about. So yeah, nothing on the top of this case. And it was resealed, cut, 2 layers of tape. And this is on top. Yeah, weird. Yeah, that's very strange. There's only 1 regular of this, which tells me something. Alright, let's flip all these over. Alright, here we go. C case. They're quite messy, I opened them, but they're going to be put in the dump bin shortly anyway. Dang, look at that. That's not good at all. Well, I won't be buying any cars out of this case. They're all bent up, maybe one missing. Second C case. I think this is the one where the ID chase was in. Not that it makes any difference to what's in the bottom. Yeah, the C case, there's not really much in the bottom. Isn't there Repu? Maybe that's D case. I haven't been paying attention really. There should be some Subis in the bottom of this bad boy. Yeah, there they are. Alright, I'm grabbing those. I'd be grabbing those. Yeah. Alright. These are GTR. These are quite valuable for some reason. But I'll leave that there. Regular night shifter. And then the other C case. What the heck is even that? Oh, it's the treasure hunt. Yep, that's all. Alright, I'll box these things back up. And they'll go back up there where they belong. And I'll be taking home, oh my gosh, this is shaky ass. Taking home some loot. Awesome. So happy to have this Escort. So, thank you everyone so much for watching. And I'll see you next time. Bye.